Today's leaders are nothing but puppets of greed, obsessed with lining their own pockets. They prioritize profits over people, leaving citizens to suffer under their callous, self-serving policies. Their decisions are driven by financial gain, not the welfare of the communities they should protect. The cries for justice, equality, and basic human rights fall on deaf ears as they cater to the interests of the wealthy elite. It's time to expose their true motives and demand leaders who genuinely care about the people, not just the month. The era of corrupt, money-hungry leadership must end.